गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस, आपका स्वागत है मोटर ब्लॉग नंबर 40 में एक नए अंदाज के साथ। आज है नया दिन, नई सफ़र, नई मंजिल और मैं चला हिमाचल। मेरी धर्मपत्नी तरुण जी आज हमारे साथ नहीं है, वो इस दुनिया में है पर कहाँ पे है इस वक्त। वो अपना काम खत्म करेंगी और शाम को उड़न खटोला लेके चंडीगढ़ के हवाई अड्डे पे पहुंचेंगी। मैं इस वक्त गाड़ी चलाते हुए धीमी से, तेजी से नहीं, धीमी धीमी जा रहा हूँ जीरकपुर की तरफ। कोशिश यही है कि जब तक उनका उड़न खटोला उतरेगा तब तक मैं चंडीगढ़ हवाई अड्डे पे उनको जाके उठा दूंगा और वहाँ से हम अपना सफ़र आगे रखेंगे ठियोग हिमाचल के लिए। हमारा इस बार का स्टे ताज ठियोग में है। वहाँ जाके हम कंटेंट रिकॉर्ड करेंगे और आपके लिए प्रस्तुत करेंगे इस इंस्टाग्राम और यूट्यूब के ज़रिए, ब्लॉग के ज़रिए। थैंक यू एंड आपको मैं मिलता हूँ जल्द ही, कुछ ही देर में। बाय बाय। गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस, आज है दूसरा दिन। वी आर ऑन आवर वे टू ताज ठियोग। तरुण जी केम लास्ट नाइट। कल रात्रि अपना चंडीगढ़ ही ठहरे सी। ਹੁਣ ਚੱਲੇ ਆ ਤਾਜ ਠਿयोग। We are on our way just across Dharampur. Got another 2.5 to 3 hours left to reach ठियोग. Nice. The weather is pretty warm. It's still warm outside. We've got the AC on. We're hoping another maybe an hour's time weather gets cooler. Switch off the AC, roll down the windows and enjoy the weather. That's the plan. Alright guys, we'll see you in a bit. Bye. Hey guys, so we are finally at ठियोग. We've checked into Taj ठियोग. In fact, we just checked in. We just left a room which is behind us. We've got so we booked a luxury room and they were kind enough to upgrade us to the Mandi Suites. So we'll do a little room tour later. Living room on the lower level and then the bedrooms on the higher level. We are on our way for high tea. The duty manager and the GM, I think they have called us. They said you can settle in later and have a cup of tea with us and probably take a little tour of the property. It's about, what's the time? It's about 4:20 in the evening. Lovely weather, bright, absolutely blue skies, bright sun, clear blue skies, very nice nippy weather. What's the temperature? I think they said it's 18. It's about 18 degrees right now. So it's going to be nice and chilly once the sun sets. So we just entered the main building. All the rooms, most of the rooms are in the main building, but the suites are in cottages style. I don't know if you guys can see, but that's a temperature controlled pool and they've got a jacuzzi also there. We will definitely use this later.
You want to tell them about the
We'll do it later, We're here for 3 days. We got enough time. That's the bar. They said the bar's open only in the evening. Or is it open all day? Till then something. Looks nice. Little shop, souvenir shop, and now we're in the main lobby. It's pretty. No, we have to go this way. We have to go down. We have to walk down. No, down. The way we came up, we saw that thing on the way when we were in the buggy.
It's going to be a walk for breakfast.
No? Did he say no? Breakfast is up in that corridor. No. Down is only that west lawn.
Oh, all right. That high tea place.
Yeah. There.
Okay, got
right
it.
in front of us. This is the where we haven't seen the restaurant yet, but I think that's a coffee shop.
That's a coffee shop, another restaurant, Patiala, right?
Yeah, and then he said there are 3 restaurants. I think one Indian, one coffee shop, and one, I don't remember what he said. Beautiful. First time at Taj ठियोग. I've been to Himachal so many times, been to so many places, but this is really pretty.
It's not so big, it's small.
That's because we haven't covered much of the property. So we are at the high tea venue now. And there's a, I think
There's like a dance going on right now. Dance performance.
So I'm at the reception now. We've been for the high tea right now. Sachin ji, you don't mind being on camera, do you? Okay. So that's Sachin ji, he's the duty manager. He helped us check in, and we've had a great experience so far. Sachin ji, thank you so much. Thank you. I'm just giving them a little tour of the coffee shop. Thanks. That's the coffee shop. Being almost 5 in the evening, it's empty right now because everybody's on for the high tea. High tea was nice, they had live music and all, but the food selection was nothing great. They only had cucumber and tomato sandwiches and hardly any high tea. So, yeah, so obviously there's no buffet on right now. We're on a meal time. Very nice property, lovely. I'm sure the property is sold out apparently. So, now we're back. I'm back on the terrace. This is where we're sitting. We're on a nice table with a super view, and I think you can hear the music in the background. There's a high tea which is going on right now, which is going right. Can you see my finger right there? That's one of the lawns where the high tea is going on. Nice property. Highly recommended. Must visit. Okay, I'm gonna eat something. Okay, bye. Hey, so we just decided to have dinner. It's about 9 o'clock at night, and Taranum ji wanted to work out just before dinner, so we've come to the gym to pick her up. So we're gonna head for dinner now. Very tired and sleepy, drove the whole day, and woke up early in the morning, sleepy, groggy, just want to eat and then sleep. Tomorrow we're thinking maybe we do Hatu Temple. It's about an hour and a half drive from here. We have to go up ahead towards Narkanda. So maybe we do that tomorrow. We'll see. Hi guys. Bye. So we just come for dinner to the coffee shop. I don't know if you guys can see, it's really dark here, but we've again come outside. And the weather is really nice and nippy. In fact, they've got heaters on this. Everybody's sitting inside. We sit outside. The view is fabulous. Again, I hope the camera can pick this up. But look at that view. It's almost like a 360. It is absolutely stunning. I don't know if the camera can capture the sky. The sky is so clear. That's the moon. Oh, this place is gorgeous. Of course, during the day is even better because you can see a lot. But it's lovely. Then I was just showing them the night view.
I managed to get a really good picture.
Yeah.
That's the Chandra too.
Okay. नहीं वो पूरा चांद नहीं है ना पूरा तो ये रहा ओह